Chapter number 5. Question number 76. Earth's gravitational force of attraction vanishes at infinity. Question number 77. Value of small g increases with the decrease in altitude. Question number 78. Value of small g at a height 1 Earth's radius above the surface of Earth is 1 over 4 into small g. Question number 79. Orbital speed of a low orbit satellite is 8,000 meter per second. Question number 80. Newton law of gravitation is accordance with Newton's third law. Question number 81. Number of satellites in GPS are 24. Question number 82. Natural satellite of Earth is Moon. Question number 83. Near the surface of Earth, the gravitational field strength is 10 Newton per kilogram. Question number 84. Who gave the idea of gravity? Newton. Question number 85. Speed of satellite in GPS is 3.87 km per second. Question number 86. The SI unit of gravitational constant is Newton square meter per kilogram per kilogram. Question number 87. Radius of Earth is 6,400 kilometer. Question number 88. Moon completes its one rotation around Earth in 27.3 days. Question number 89. Mass of Earth is 6 multiply 10 to the raised power 24 kilogram. Question number 90. Value of gravitational constant is 6.673 multiply 10 to the raised power minus 11 Newton square meter per kilogram per kilogram. Question number 91. Value of small g on Moon's surface is 1.6 meter per second per second. What will be the weight of body on Moon's surface having 100 kilogram mass? 160 Newton. Question number 92. Speed of geostationary satellite with respect to Earth is 0. Question number 93. The altitude of geostationary orbits in which communication satellites are launched above the surface of Earth is 42,300 kilometer. Question number 94. The formula mass of Earth is ME is equal to R square small g over capital G. Chapter number 6. Question number 95. Work done will be 0 when the angle between force and distance is 90 degree. Question number 96. Rate of doing work is called power. Question number 97. If the velocity of a body becomes double, then its kinetic energy will become 4 times. Question number 98. The work done in lifting a brick of mass 2 kg through a height of 5 meter above ground will be 100 joule. Question number 99. Kinetic energy of a body of mass 2 kg is 25 joule. Its speed is 5 meter per second. Question number 100. Which one of the following converts light energy into electrical energy? Photocell. Question number 101. In Einstein's mass energy relation, c is speed of light. Question number 102. Energy stored in a coal is chemical energy. Question number 103. Energy stored in a dam is potential energy. Question number 104. Product of force and displacement is called work. Question number 105. SI unit of work is joule, that is equal to 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton multiply 1 meter. Question number 106. Work is defined as W is equal to Fs. Question number 107. The ability of a body to do work is called energy. Question number 108. Energy of body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. Question number 109. Kinetic energy of a body is K dot E is equal to half mv square. Question number 110. Energy of a body due to its position is called potential energy. Question number 111. Potential energy of a body is P dot E is equal to mgh. Question number 112. Ratio between output and input is called efficiency. Question number 113. SI unit of coefficient efficiency is no unit. Question number 114. SI unit of power is watt. Question number 115. 1 watt is defined as joule per second. Question number 116. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Question number 117. Power is defined as P is equal to W over T. Chapter number 7. Question number 118. In which state of matter molecules do not leave their position solid? Question number 119. Which of the following substances is the lightest one? Aluminium. Question number 120. SI unit of pressure is Pascal, which is equal to 1 Newton per square meter. Question number 121. Approximate length of a glass tube to construct a water barometer is 11 meter. Question number 122. Density of a substance can be measured using Archimedes' principle. Question number 123. Fourth state of matter is plasma. Question number 124. Mass per unit volume is called density. Question number 125. SI unit of density is kilogram per cubic meter. Question number 126. Mercury is dash times denser than water, 13.6. Question number 127. Equation of pressure in liquid is P is equal to rho G H. Question number 128. SI unit of strain is no unit. Question number 129. Upthrust of liquid is F is equal to rho G V. Question number 130. Volume of 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. Question number 131. The formula of pressure is P is equal to F over A. Question number 132. The ratio between stress and tensile strain is called Young's modulus. Question number 133. 5 liter is equal to 5 multiply 10 to the raised power minus 3 cubic meter. Question number 134. SI unit of pressure is Newton per square meter. Chapter number 8. Question number 135. Water freezes at 32 degree Fahrenheit. Question number 136. Normal human body temperature is 37 degree centigrade. Question number 137. Which material has larger specific heat? Water. Question number 138. Which of the following affects evaporation? temperature, surface area, wind, all. The answer of question 38 is all. The D option. Question number 139. Degree of hotness and coldness of a body is called temperature. Question number 140. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Question number 141. Which of the following relation is correct? Beta is equal to 3 alpha. Question number 142. Natural thermometer is crocus flower. Question number 145. Specific heat of water is 4200 joule per kilogram per Kelvin. Question number 146. SI unit of linear thermal expansion is per Kelvin. Question number 147. The boiling point of gold is 2660 degree centigrade. Chapter number 9. Question number 148. In solids, heat is mainly transferred by conduction. Question number 149. Rooms are heated using gas heaters by convection and radiation. Question number 150. SI unit of rate of flow of heat is joule per second. Question number 151. Land breeze and sea breeze are the result of convection. Question number 152. Best reflector of heat is shining silvered surface. Question number 153. In gases, heat is mainly transferred by convection. Question number 154. Which of the following is bad conductor? Wood. Question number 155. Which color is a good absorber? Black. Question number 156. False ceiling is done to insulate the ceiling. Question number 157. Metals are good conductor of heat due to free electrons. Question number 158. The threat of global warming on our earth is due to the following gas: carbon dioxide gas. Question number 159. Rate of flow of heat is equal to Q over T. The last question number 160. The SI unit of thermal conductivity is watt per meter per Kelvin. बच्चों अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और मुझे अपनी दुआओं में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।